Warm welcome to all of you. Very, very good morning. Welcome, vanakkam, suswagatam. Jo bale so nihal, sat sri akal. Walaikum salam, assalamu alaikum. This is your Baba H.S.P. All my dear students, after a long time on huge public demand, Baba is over here just to let me know, am I audible and visible to all of you? Today we will cover the whole class 12th chemistry, the part 1 and the part 2. I am going to start with part 2 first because it holds a hell lot of weightage. Most important is being part 2. So I am going to start with part 2. I don't know what's the duration of this class. It depends on you and how fast you can cover it up, right? So it will be long time no see. Ashipriya, warm welcome everyone, warm welcome to all of you. So we are going to start with haloalkanes and haloarenes. I will solve each and every question and the most important topics, whatever the required topics, we will go with all those topics over here. So are you ready? Show me green hearts if you are ready, kids. Let me see the chats running speedily. We will do all these questions as you can see. Number of questions. First, I will let you know the topic, the concept, the magical tricks, and then we will go through all these questions. You can see unboxing brother, Vibes, Ashipriya, Salvi Singh, warm welcome to all of you. You can see each and everything is over here. Number of questions, number of things. Let's see what we can do today for the best. Audible and visible. Thank you, TSP Gaming. So we are going to start with class 12th, part 2, first chapter, haloalkanes, haloarenes. Haloalkanes and haloarenes, as you can see in front of me. So we are going to deal with the most important topics. The most important, I would like to say, vibes. If you don't know anything, then also Baba will tell you in such a way that everyone can understand. Everyone can understand each and everything. Are you ready? Show me some fire emojis if everyone is ready. Everyone is ready? Ship, slow down this fan. Ready? Okay. So see, this chapter haloalkanes and haloarenes is based on Rx, means R can be alkyl part or aryl part and the halogen attached to it. Before I start anything, let me tell you this thing. In this chapter, the preparation of haloalkanes. They will ask you the preparation of haloalkanes. So you should remember that this is your diazonium chloride. In this slide, you can see this is diazonium chloride. I hope that everyone, this is visible to each and every one of you, that this diazonium chloride. Now, this diazonium chloride is highly unstable. Now, it is prepared in C2. That means it is prepared whenever it is required. So, the starting material, remember that, is aniline. This aniline is the starting material. In your examination, you should be aware of that. ये aniline से start होगा. Starting material आपका aniline है. And aniline should be treated with NaNO2 HCl. Now, NaNO2 and HCl will react together to produce HNO2. This H will come to NO2, it will form HNO2. What is the name of HNO2? Nitrous acid. HONO, highly unstable. So once again HCl will attack on HONO2, that is nitrous acid, to produce NO plus. NO plus is the actual attacking agent. What is the name of NO plus? Nitrozonium ion, most important for RENEET 2026. Nitrozonium ion, and this reaction is carried out at very low temperature, and this is maintained by ice cold solution. So temperature should be not more than 5 degrees Celsius. Nitrous acid, nitrozonium ion, very good. Salvaging, everyone you are supposed to write down like this so that I can understand that everyone is able to understand it. Yes, everyone. Now you will get benzene disonium chloride. Just keep it in your eyes. Wow, Harni Singh, thank you. So it is benzene disonium chloride. It is unstable at room temperature. Now, from here, you see this is Sandemeyer reaction. Every examination, they are always asking what is Sandemeyer reaction. Remember that Cu single plus is used in Sandemeyer reaction. And in Getterman reaction, the same chlorobenzene can be prepared by Getterman reaction. See Getterman reaction. This is Getterman reaction. Same chlorobenzene can be prepared by Getterman reaction, but the yield in Sandemeyer reaction is more. Now the question arises because this time in RENEET 2026 they will ask tough questions. Why in Sandemeyer reaction the yield is more? Now remember that whenever this N2 plus is there and whenever it is acting as a leaving group, जैसे ही ये leaving group की तरह behave करेगा N2 plus, तो आपको एक intermediate मिलेगा. You will get an intermediate like this. This intermediate you will get. Now see, this compound is aromatic. This compound is being aromatic, but this plus charge is unstable. Why this plus charge is unstable? Remember that because whenever any charge is located on a carbon which is attached with a double bond, whenever plus charge is attached with the carbon which is having double bond, it is highly unstable. So this whole compound is known as arenium ion, which is highly unstable. Now whenever there is Cu plus, you remember that in aqueous solution you must have studied in D block that is cuprous ion in your aqueous solution will change into cupric and copper. Disproportionation reaction will take place. So the Cu plus will very easily convert in aqueous solution into Cu2 plus while giving one electron, and that one electron will be gained by this arenium ion and it will get converted into free radical. Now this free radical is unstable or highly stable. Remember that this free radical is more stable than arenium ion. So the rate of reaction is directly proportional to free radical stability, FRSR, because cuprous is used in Sandemeyer reaction. Cu2Cl2 is Cu single plus. They can either write Cu2Cl2 or they can give you CuCl. Both mean same. Either Cu2Cl2 or they can give you CuCl. Both mean same. There is cuprous ion and cuprous will change into cupric and the arenium ion will change into free radical, and free radical stability is more because now the carbon is having 7 electrons. So the rate of reaction is more in Sandemeyer reaction. Whereas you see in your Getterman reaction, copper is used. Now you know that copper will not easily undergo oxidation. Everyone, are you getting my point? Copper lies below hydrogen in the electrochemical series. So the SOP value, standard oxidation potential value of copper, is negative. So copper will not undergo oxidation, and the copper is not undergoing oxidation. That means rhenium cation will remain as rhenium cation. It will not convert into free radical. That's why the rate of reaction will be very, very less. I hope that everyone you got it. How to prepare chlorobenzene, how to prepare same thing, bromobenzene can be prepared in this way. Haloalkane you can prepare from benzene diazonium chloride. Now see, if you want to prepare benzyl chloride, move from benzene to toluene and toluene to benzyl chloride. In this way it can be prepared. You can see that this is your benzene, benzene to toluene, and toluene to benzyl chloride you will get. I hope that everyone is able to understand how to prepare benzyl chloride. So this is your mind map. I will come back to this mind map after telling you the whole chapter, because right now I was interested in preparation of haloalkane and haloarenes. Right now, second thing, this mind map, the most important part of this NCERT. Why I am saying the most important part of this NCERT, my dear students? In the NCERT, there one paragraph is given, that substitution versus elimination. If you are able to understand, Sahana, welcome, welcome. If you are able to understand this mind map, you can understand everything. You can do all the questions. Yeah, copper powder, Ashipriya. Once you are using copper powder, then the rate of reaction is less, because copper will not easily undergo oxidation, right? Good morning, Anushaps. Good morning, everyone. Now, let's understand this mind map. Everyone, are you able to see this mind map? So, once Baba is going away from the screen so that everyone can see this mind map. Is it visible to all of you? Just see to it. Everyone, do let me know. Is it visible to all of you? Now, just see. Visible. Very good. Now, see. First, try to understand on the left hand side, these Rx are given. How many types of Rx are given? Can you see? How many types? Do let me know in the chat section. How many types of Rx you can see? How many Rx can you see on very left hand side? 7 types of Rx. 7 types of Rx. Just try to understand, then only you can solve any question based on substitution, elimination. Wipes, you can see 6. I have written 7. Just try to see 7 type. Everyone is writing 6 type. Let me check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Why only 6? Just check it out. It's 7, not 6. Everyone just see. 7 types. Okay. Now, try to understand what's the difference between type of Rx. First Rx is the smallest Rx. If you see methyl halide, this Rx can never show elimination, because for elimination at least 2 carbons are required, because if you do elimination, alkene will be the product. Last one not visible. Okay, don't worry, I will let you know. Once the time is coming, I will let you know. Before letting you know, let's move with Rx, where X cannot be fluorine. If X is fluorine, reaction will not take place, because carbon belongs to second period and the fluorine also belongs to second period. 2p is very, very strong bond, so fluorine will not eliminate out. Everyone, mark my words. Now, once I say methyl X elimination, whether E2 or E1, it will form alkene, and a single carbon can't be forming alkene. So To form alkene, at least 2 carbons are required. Now, you see, the starting 4 alkyl halides, what's common? Everyone, if you are really studying, if you are really going to get government seat, write down in the chat section what's common among the starting 4 types of alkyl halides. What's common? What is common in the starting 4 alkyl halides? Kids, if you're not able to answer it, you won't be able to do anything. Mark my words. Categorically, I am telling you this particular point. 1 degree, very good. Shall we sing all the starting 4 alkyl halides are 1 degree? That is the common. That means they are not sterically hindered. Today, I will go with the cramming part as well as the scientific visualization part. The starting 4 alkyl halides, that they all are 1 degree alkyl halide. That means they have the potential energy to undergo SN2. They can show SN2, but for SN2, what is required? The need of strong nucleophile. I will tell you what is the need of strong nucleophile. But before moving ahead, the out of 4 alkyl halide 1 degree, these two, out of these 4 RX, these two can undergo SN2 as well as SN1. They can show SN2 as well as SN1. Why? Because their carbocation is resonance stabilized. So these two have equal tendency to show SN2 as well as SN1. So let me put arrow so that everyone can understand what I want to say. So I am going to draw an arrow that this can show SN2, this can show SN2, this can show SN2, and even this can show SN2. All these 4 can show SN2, but these two can show SN1 also because their carbocation are resonance stabilized. Its carbocation is resonance stabilized. So these two have equal tendency to show SN1. I hope this has gone to your brain. Everyone, do let me know. Now, if you see the sixth one is 3 degree. Let me bring over here. If you can see the sixth one, is it visible to all of you? The sixth one is 3 degree. Now 3 degree can never show SN2. The 3 degree can show E2, SN1 because SN1 moves with the carbocation stability, so it can show SN1 even. So this one is having equal tendency to show even SN1 as well as E2 because in E2 no substitution, only elimination. Now, if I talk about the fifth one, what is the degree of fifth one? Can you tell me? The fifth one degree is 2 degree. It is having equal tendency for all 4 reactions. Let me write down. It is having equal tendency for all 4 type of reaction. It can show SN2, it can show E2, it can show SN1, it can show E1, equal tendency. Now the last one, I hope the last one is visible to each and every one of you. Do let me know in the chat section. They are having halogen attached to the double bond. The last one is having halogen attached to the double bond, and the last to the super last having halogen attached to the bridgehead carbon. One is aryl halide another one is having halogen attached to the bridgehead carbon. They can neither show SN1, SN2, E1, E2, nothing, because on bridgehead carbon, carbocation is unstable, so carbocation will not get formed. On bridgehead carbon, double bond is unstable, so even E2 cannot undergo. And the bridgehead carbon, you can see it is 3 degrees, so SN2 is not possible, right? Now, remember that if I talk about the nucleophile oblique base, just see the nucleophile and base they are given. How to identify degree vibes? Let me tell you. Good question. How to identify the degree? See, if a carbon attached, if a carbon which is attached with halogen, if it is this carbon attached with halogen, if this carbon is not attached further with any carbon or with one carbon, then it will be 1 degree. It will be treated as 1 degree. And if the carbon which is attached with halogen, that carbon is further attached with 2 more carbons, then the degree will be 2. If the carbon which is attached with halogen and that carbon is further attached with 3 more carbons, then we will say it is 3 degree. I hope it is clear to each and everyone the degree of carbon. The carbon which is attached with halogen is either attached with one more carbon or no other carbon will be treated as 1 degree. The carbon which is attached with halogen is further attached with 2 more carbons is 2 degree, and the carbon which is attached with halogen further attached with 3 more carbons will be treated as 3 degree. I hope everyone got it. It's clear to each and everyone. So let me go back. Now it's the time to understand what is strong nucleophile or base. Remember that nucleophile will do substitution and base will do elimination. What I'm saying, how to identify it will act as nucleophile or base, that I will tell you, right? Okay. Now, if you see in the examination anything like this, RO negative, that means oxygen is having complete 1 charge, complete 1 negative charge. If it is written like this, RO negative, it's well and good. If it is written like this, RONA, so remember that this is negative and this is positive, it will equally treated as strong nucleophile, strong base. ROK, that means ionic bond, either ROK, RONA, anything like this. Have you got it? Did you understand, kids? How to identify it is strong nucleophile base? Let me ask question. Otherwise, you won't be able to do anything. Do let me know in the chat section. CH3, CH2, O negative. Strong or weak? Do let me know in the chat section. Strong or weak? Then I will write down second one. C2H5O strong or weak? Then I will write down third one. CH3 CH OK, strong or weak? Do let me know in the chat section. Strong or weak? Strong. Very good vibes. Ketak, Sahana, everyone do let me know. Now I will write down another one. Just try to understand. If I write down like this, TBU OK. If they have given like this, TUBOK, or potassium tertiary butoxide. Now you won't be able to trace it in the examination. Potassium tertiary butoxide, very good, all three they were strong. Now let me tell you what is the meaning of this. That means CH3, CH3, CH3. Okay, now try to read it out. This is potassium, potassium tertiary butoxide, again is strong, but remember that this is strong base. It can never behave as a strong nucleophile. All these three were strong base as well as strong nucleophile. These three were strong base as well as strong nucleophile. ये starting के तीन strong base भी हैं और strong nucleophile भी हैं. Remember, I'm telling you one story. Before telling you one story, let me tell you the science. Nucleophile means the entity, कोई ऐसी चीज जो जाएगी और कार्बन के साथ बॉन्ड बनाएगी, that will form the bond with carbon. So to move up to carbon, it has to cross number of forest type of things. उसे बहुत झाड़ियों में से गुजरना होगा. If रास्ता, the journey is sterically hindered, this will not be able to reach over there. It will say, hey carbon, how should I come? It's too much sterically hindered, number of mountains, number of trees are there, I won't be able to reach you, so I can't act as a nucleophile. So nucleophile, to be a nucleophile, it should be small, less sterically hindered, just like lion. And if I say hippo, hippo is too much sterically hindered, can't go easily because hippo needs too much space. But a nucleophile should be small and spiky. So these three are strong nucleophile as well as strong base, but this one is sterically hindered, so it is only strong base. It cannot behave as strong nucleophile. It cannot behave as strong nucleophile. So it will only do elimination, and elimination, only elimination, no substitution. So the strong nucleophile or base, whatever it will do all reactions in a single step reaction. Are you getting my point? Single step reaction. It will always do single step reaction. Are you getting my point? Strong will always do single step reaction. It will show single step reaction, and single step reaction are SN2 and E2. Wherever 2 is written, that means single step reaction. Are you getting my point? Single step reaction SN2E2. Now if at the same time, if I talk about things like this, ROH, HOH, it is covalent bond, and covalent bond, that means it is poor or weak base, poor or weak base, poor or weak base. It will always do reaction in more than single step. More than single step means SN1 or E1 will proceed with the formation of carbocation intermediate. Such type of reaction will always proceed with the formation of intermediate, right? Now see, let me go back. Just see, this is strong nucleophile or base, and this is weak nucleophile or base. Stronger one will always do SN2E2. Are you getting my point? On the screen, just see, strong nucleophile base will always like to do SN2E2, and poor nucleophile base will always willing to do SN1 even. Is this point clear to all of you? Is this point clear to all of you? Now, let me check it out that how many of you are able to understand or not this, right? Let's see. The first question on your screen. See to it. See to it. Let me check it out what you are going to do in the examination. The first question of this session on your screen. Let's check it out. Sahana is going for C. Sorry. Everyone, I want to see answer from each and everyone's side. Till now, only Sahana has given the answer. Now let me tell you, my dear students, everyone's answer is wrong. Try it out. The second option, first answer is wrong. Everyone has gone for C. Shini has gone for D. What to say? That kids, you are not able to understand anything. So it's better to leave the class. You kids are not able to understand anything. Shall we? Your answer is okay. I think E2 is given at two places. E2 is given at two places, right? So let me rub one. E2 is given at two places. Now tell me, what's the answer? Yes, only one answer is correct, E2. So kids, what are you doing? I'm so unable to understand. Kids, why the answer given by you people is being wrong? E2 only. Why only E2? You see, this 3 degree is sterically hindered. Potassium tertiary butyl bromide. It is having equal tendency to show, this tertiary butyl bromide is having equal tendency to show E2, SN1, E1. According to this tertiary alkyl halide, if I talk about, it can show all three. But if you see, this is strong. This is strong. Strong. I will tell you why SN1 is wrong. I will tell you. The strong base or nucleophile, it can behave as both. But see, the tertiary alkyl halide can never show SN2 because the strong nucleophile can never attack from the back side. Do you think that there is tendency to attack from the back side? No, not at all, because it is too much sterically hindered. Alkyl halide is too much SH. SH means sterically hindered, so backside attack is not possible at all. So it cannot behave as a nucleophile. Now it can behave as strong nucleophile. That means it is strong, so no SN1, no E1, because SN1 even will form only by weak, poor nucleophile. If the poor nucleophile, see the chart, I have told you, the poor nucleophile will undergo SN1 even because they will form the carbocation first and then they will attack. They will show the reaction by formation of carbocation. multi-step reaction. This is being multi-step reaction. If there is poor or weak nucleophile, it will show SN1 even, but that was strong, so strong one will do what? Strong one will do the reaction in single step, but it was sterically hindered, no SN2, so only one option is left. What is that? No SN2, no, sorry, no SN2, no SN1, no even, only one option is there, E2. Are you getting my point? Everyone. Yes, Shalvi Singh, your answer was right. Only E2. Sahana, you got it or not? Everyone just do let me know. If not able to understand, do let me know. I will tell you once again. Did you understand? Have you understood, kids? Do let me know. Everyone just do let me know. My team, please provide me water. Everyone just do let me know. If not, then I will explain again. Very good. Now another question on your screen. I want the correct answer. Check it out. ये क्लास बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है आपके सिलेक्शन के लिए। सभी भाई और बहनों, देवी और सज्जनों, आपकी स्क्रीन पर एक नया क्वेश्चन, बहुत तेज़ी से वायरल होने वाला क्वेश्चन। देखना ये कि आप लोग कर पाएंगे कि नहीं, सही जवाब मिलेगा कि नहीं। दिस टाइम एवरीवन, once again E2 only. Why E2 only? Fifth option is there. I can't understand. This should not be there. This time 100% correct, kids. Wow, really awesome. SN1 even. Why? This is 2 degree alkyl halide and 2 degree alkyl halide. Why 2 degree? The carbon which is attached with halogen is further attached with 2 carbons, so its degree is 2. Now this is weak, and weak will do multi-step reaction. Are you getting my point? Once if I talk about multi-step reaction, multi-step means SN1 even, so D is correct answer. Those who have given correct answer, congratulations. Now another question on your screen. Just see to it, everyone. Quick, quick. Sahana has given the correct answer. This time, this is strong, and strong will do reaction always in single step. So SN2E2. I hope everyone got it. SN2E2 is the correct answer. Now another question on your screen. Just see to it, everyone. Quick, quick. Fast, kids, fast. Again C. It is, Kids, this time answer is okay, but maximum is SN2. SN2 and E2, but major is SN2. SN2 major, right? Remember that. Major is SN2 because it is least sterically hindered. So maximum percentage, I would like to say 90% SN2. 90% SN2. Now, another question on your screen. Just see to it, everyone. Do let me know. This time, what's the answer? I'm waiting for your answer, kids. Try it out. Your answer is wrong for this question, kids. Everyone just try it out. Your answer is wrong. Cool tube, your answer is wrong. Everyone is getting failed for this question. Kids, सब लोग कोशिश करो. आप सभी का आंसर इस क्वेश्चन के लिए गलत आ रहा है. Yes, A is the correct answer. Ask me why, then I will explain. Ask me why, then I will explain. Kids, elimination तो possible ही नहीं है. Elimination is not possible. See, if you do elimination, you will get this type of alkene. See, do you think this alkene is possible? You are doing E2. आप E2 पूछो क्यों आप E2 कर रहे हो, क्या ये एल्कीन पॉसिबल है? भैया नहीं पॉसिबल है, नॉट एट ऑल, बिकॉज 5 बैलेंसी हो रही है बच्चे की. इसकी बैलेंसी तो देखो 5 हो रही है, नहीं होगा. अरे भैया नहीं पॉसिबल है. E2 कैसे कर लोगे बच्चा? अरे मेरा बच्चा कैसे होएगा E2 बता ना. E2 नहीं हो पाएगा, 5 बैलेंसी हो जाएगी. नाउ ये 1 डिग्री एल्किल हैलाइड है बच्चा. अरे भाइयों और बहनों, देवियों और सज्जनों, ये 1 डिग्री एल्किल हैलाइड है. 1 degree alkyl halide undergoes both type. It is having equal tendency to show SN1 and SN2. Only A is correct. Now see, this is having ionic bond, right? इस बॉन्ड को मैं क्या नाम दूं? आयोनिक बॉन्ड. अरे भैया तुम्हारा बॉन्ड आयोनिक है रे, और तुम 1 डिग्री है, पिछू से जाके अटैक करना. डिचाओ बैक साइड अटैक, backside attack, only backside attack. So SN2, you got it. Now kids, अच्छा हुआ मैं पढ़ा रहा हूँ आपको. अगर ये सब चीज़ें ना बताऊँ तो तुम एग्ज़ाम में फेल हो जाओगे. अंगना में बाबा, दुआरे पे माँ, कैसे आऊँ कार्बन में तोरे घर माँ. यहाँ पे तो ऐसा कुछ है ही नहीं. बिकॉज ऑफ दीज 2 हाइड्रोजन्स it is least sterically hindered, so SN2. Got it? It is least sterically hindered, everyone. I hope that everyone got it. Now next question on your screen. Just see to it clearly. Sir, base will abstract hydrogen but nucleophile can attack carbon. Very good, it's right. If it is abstracting hydrogen, it will do elimination, and if it is attacking on carbon, it is nucleophile. Very good, Sahana, your answer is absolutely correct. SN1. So in this, even is not possible. Elimination, no option is correct. No option is correct. So the answer will be none of the above. Nota. Why only SN1? Answer is only SN1. So best option is D. Best option is D, only SN1. Because this is poor nucleophile. It will form carbocation and rate of reaction is directly proportional to stability of carbocation. SN1 only, right? Got it, everyone? Sahana is right this time. Now next question on your screen. Oh, let me give you. Try to solve it, okay? Tell me what's the answer. Tell me what is the answer. Everyone, do let me know what's the answer. Now Sahana, absolutely correct. Wipes, wrong. Answer is SN2 only. See, here is 1 degree alkyl halide. So only SN2, only ether. Williamson synthesis of ether. Only ether will be the product. Only ether. Got it? Sabko aaya? Now, this is completed. Next thing, you see, this I have solved for you. These are the notes. You just check it out. Any doubt you can ask. Even the answer is given. Just to save the time, just check it out. I have written question along with the answer. Just check it out, everyone. Try to understand. Just check it out. Which compound will not produce racemic mixture? So to produce racemic mixture, R1 and R2 must be different. If R1 R2 are same, the carbon will not be chiral. So first question is very much clear to all of you. Now see the second one. Which compound will not produce white PPT? With sodium bisulfite, try to give the answer. Here answer is not given. Just try it out, everyone. What's your answer? Everyone, quick, quick. Quick, kids, quick. Your answer is not coming. सहाना, सोनम यादव, आप सभी का आंसर गलत है. बेंजल्डिहाइड. द आंसर विल बी लीस्ट रिएक्टिव एल्डिहाइड और कीटोन. Ketones are generally less reactive. You see, one is aromatic, one is aliphatic. Benzaldehyde will be the answer. You see, Here the explanation is given. You got failed. One is aromatic, one is aliphatic. Acetone is more reactive than benzaldehyde because in benzaldehyde, the carbons plus charge will do resonance. You see, this plus charge is resonance stabilized. Kids, you got failed. What are you doing? Next question. Here the answer is given. Just see. Now see, two questions I have given. In the first, the answer was benzaldehyde. Just try to understand. And in second one also, the answer is benzaldehyde. Now see why. Which compound will produce white PPT with sodium bisulfide? Now see, acetophenone. What happened? Now see, acetophenone, benzophenone, they are highly stable. And D option is benzyl alcohol. Benzyl alcohol to will never, alcohols to never do this reaction. So it will be shown either by aldehyde or ketone, but out of A, B and C, which one is least reactive? Among A, B and C, which one is least reactive? Benzaldehyde. Now you will say, sir, there too you said that benzaldehyde will not show because there the benzaldehyde was least reactive, but here benzaldehyde is most reactive. Kids, are you getting my point? Now, another question. The same question. Now see the answer of this question. Yeah, very good, you got it. Now tell me what's the answer. Thank you, great experience, TSP Gaming, thank you. Now tell me the answer of this question. Fast, fast kids, quick, quick. Quick kids, quick. D, Sahana is going for D. Cinnamaldehyde is the correct answer. Where the answer has gone? Yeah, cinnamaldehyde is the correct answer. Cross aldol condensation. Next question. Which compound will not give positive tolerance test? Shall we sing Sonam Yadav? Very good. Which compound will not give positive tolerance test? Quick, quick. भैया जल्दी जल्दी आंसर दो, टाइम नहीं है. Take it as your examination. RENEET 2026. Treat it like that. Quick, kids, quick. Sahana is going for D. Sonam is going for D. D is the correct answer. Very good. Acetic acid. Because acetic acid is not having CHO. Next question on your screen. Which compound will give negative phalanx test? Anushaps. Very good. Tell me the answer of this question. Negative phalanx test. Very good. Benzaldehyde is the correct answer. Benzaldehyde never gives phalanx test. Benzaldehyde. Next question on your screen. Very good. Shall we sing My Cool Tube? Sonam Yadav. Very good. Now tell me the answer of this question. Let me check it out. Your preparation. Let's see who can do this question. This is tough question, kids. ये क्वेश्चन देखिए कौन करता है. भाई और बहनों, देवी और सज्जनों, वेलकम वेलकम. Let's see who is able to solve this question, kids. Shalvi Singh is going for B. Sonam Yadav is going for A. Let me check it out. Is there anyone who can solve this question? Kids, मैं जा रहा हूँ अपने घर. मैं नहीं पढ़ा रहा तुमको. तुम कुछ भी बोल रहे हो. कोई B बोल रहा है, कोई A बोल रहा है. ऐसे थोड़ी नहीं होता है. How will you become doctor? क्या आप ऐसे डॉक्टर बन पाओगे? थैंक यू शनि, थैंक यू. भाई मैं जा रहा हूँ, मैं नहीं पढ़ा रहा. तुम ना बन पाओगे डॉक्टर. अरे भाई, क्रोटन एल्डिहाइड इज द आंसर. डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. लेट मी सॉल्व इट. डी. चेक इट आउट. नहीं समझ में आए देन आई विल एक्सप्लेन. चेक इट आउट, चेक इट आउट. एवरीवन जस्ट चेक इट आउट. हम नहीं पढ़ा रहे आपको. आपसे ना हो पाएगा ऐसे. आपकी प्रिपरेशन अच्छी नहीं है. चेक इट आउट एवरीवन, जस्ट चेक इट आउट. ऐसे थोड़ी नहीं होता भैया. ऐसे बनोगे डॉक्टर हैं? जिंदगी में ऐसे डॉक्टर बन पाओगे? तपस्या करनी होती है. C to D. ओके, C to D. If I say Na2CO3, aqueous solution of Na2CO3, it will break in water. It will break in water. In water, NaOH and H2CO3 will get formed. Now, who is strong, who is weak? Tell me. This is strong nucleophile or base, and this is feebly ionized. Now, in the solution, ultimately OH negative will be there, and this is responsible for aldol condensation. Okay, Sini, okay. Now tell me, it must you have studied in your ionic equilibrium. Salt of strong base, weak acid, am I right? That will always produce an ion, and that is responsible for aldol condensation. I hope that you are getting it. Now check it out. Now check it out, everyone. Everyone just check it out. Got it? Now another question on your screen. Just see to it. Sahana is going for C, mesitylene. Rest of other students, do let me know what should be the answer. Now this time the correct answer is tick tick 1, tick tick 2, tick tick 3. Sahana, congratulations. Your answer is 100% correct this time. Everyone just check it out. Here is the explanation. Got it, everyone? Everyone got it? Shini, it's C. Mesitylene. Acetone on reaction with H2SO4 will undergo polymerization. हाँ, इस बार PDF भेज दूंगा आफ्टर द क्लास, टेलीग्राम में PDF शेयर कर दूंगा डेफिनेटली. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑन योर स्क्रीन, जस्ट सी टू इट. Quick. Everyone, fast. Do it fast. Kids, make it out fast. It's very simple. It's very simple. Okay. Ads are coming. Okay, let me ask my team to minimize it. Okay, my cool tube, thank you. So I will give you time to answer it. Too many ads are coming. Sorry for that. What happened to YouTube? They have started giving so many ads. That's not fair. Okay, take your time and answer it. Let's see who is going to give the correct answer, kids. Some are going for D, some are going for C, some are going for this and that. So the correct answer is D. D for Delhi. First 3 times aldol and once Cannizzaro reaction. D is the correct answer. 3 times aldol and 4 times Cannizzaro reaction. Next question. Yes, kids, yes. Now, chloral is the correct answer. Chloral hydrate will stabilized by intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Shall we sing A is not the correct? D. Yeah, my cool tube, D is the correct answer. See, Baba has given the explanation also. Nicely written it. See the slides. Chloral hydrate is stabilized by intramolecular hydrogen bonding. They can give you this question in this way also. Although two OH group are not stable on single carbon, but why chloral hydrate is stable? So they can give you question in this way also. Next question on your screen. Very good question. They have asked in CMC Bellore 12 years back. This question was asked in CMC Bellore. Chelation. Yeah, very good. Now, answer of this question, do let me know. Very good. D is the correct answer. It is hydroxy ether. Next question. Best reagent for the following conversion. Yeah, very good. ATJ, very good. Now, what's the answer? Yes, kids, do let me know what's the answer. C option you cannot see. Okay, Baba has shifted. Baba has moved aside. Now just check it out. B is the correct answer. B. Why? You see, this is acid. It's being acid. These two are acids. They will attack on hydroxyl group as well. This is basic medium. This will not attack on hydroxyl group. So B is the correct answer. Can you see the explanation also? It's explaining the correct thing. Can you check it out? Everyone just check it out. Yeah, purification chapters, Shini, I will go with that. I will come with purification as well. Okay. Now see another question on your screen. Color produced. What do you think? What color they will produce? Very good question. Hydrogen bonding is always weak. Hydrogen bonding can't be strong. Anushpa. Now here, Sahana, you are right. C is the correct answer. In first, bright shining silver mirror. In second, white PPT. Shini, right, AGT, my cool tube, everyone. It's correct. Now another question on your screen. All their new questions, most expected questions for a RENEET 2026 kits. Which compound will give 2,4-DNP test? That is Brady's test. So very fast, quickly, Sahana has given answer D. All they will give 2,4-DNP test. All of these is the correct answer. Now next question on your screen. Which compound will not undergo aldol condensation? This is tough question, so take care. It's not easy, kids. Once again, Sahana now giving very quickly answer. D is the correct answer. Because for aldol condensation, at least 2 acidic alpha hydrogens are required. D, only one is there, and it shows Cannizzaro. Exceptional case, if you remember the notes. And the question, okay, its answer is already given. Now, next question on your screen. Sahana now moving very speedily. Sahana, so speedily you are giving the answer. Eurotropine is the correct answer. Very good. Next question on your screen. Which one is eurotropine? My cool tube, very good. Srini, very good. ATJ, very good. Once again, wow, Sahana, what happened? Shini, very good. My cool tube, very good. All of these, they are eutropin. How are the questions? Do let me know. See, all the explanations are also given. Which sugar is non-reducing? Awesome questions. Thank you, Pranjal. Harshdev, very good. This is in your bio also. This question is in your bio also. D is the correct answer. Trehalose, non-reducing sugar. How will you distinguish ethanol and benzaldehyde? Iodoform is written twice, so definitely all of these will be the correct answer. Iodoform is written twice, so definitely all of these will be the correct answer. Now, what happened, kids? It's coming blank. Yeah, now. Yeah. Are you ready? Or you need one break, kids? You need one break, or are you ready? So right now we are going to deal with new questions, NCERT based name reaction and reagents. Do let me know. Are you ready or do you need break? Break time 10 minutes only. If you need break, then only for 10 minutes. If you say yes, I will give you one break. Okay, everyone, it's 10 minutes break and we will meet at, right now the time is 12:22. So 12:32. It's a break time, right? 10 minutes break, kids. Okay. Take the break just for having some water. Okay, kids. Thank you, Sahana, thank you. Subhaji Pramnik, good afternoon. Anik, good afternoon to all my dear friends. Just to let me know, am I audible and visible to all of you once again after the break? Hey, all my dear friends, just to let me know, can you hear me? Can you see me? As Sahana has written, perfectly audible and visible. Welcome back again to each and everyone, all future doctors. Okay, now here is your first question. Just check it out on your screen. Thank you, Anik. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Just check it out, your revision, how much you can answer this question, and do let me know. Quickly, kids. Quick, fast, and check it out. Ensure it that your answer should be perfectly correct, kids. All they are NCERT based questions. Yeah, C is the correct answer. Congratulations, those who have given C. So let me tell you why the C is being correct answer. Remember that double bond does not get affected. During this divalent reaction, only the cyanide will get converted to CHO. Only the cyanide will get converted to CHO. If I talk about the cyanide, only the cyanide will get affected and the double bond will remain as such. It will not get affected. The cyanide will get converted to CHO. A little bit like, if you can remember, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, he was saying like this, remember everyone that the double bond will not get affected on the cyanide. Cyanide will get converted into CHO. So C is being the correct answer. Another question on your screen. Everyone just listen. This is here another question. Sahana, really? If you remember, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, everyone, just remember it. The reaction is known as C is the correct answer. Stephen's reduction. C, Janvi, is Stephen's reduction. Stephen's reduction is the correct answer. Another one on your screen. Everyone, just listen. Deep Pardi, that's not in my hands. बच्चा वो मेरे हाथों में नहीं है. D, very good. All of these, because all they are being same. Very good, Dr. Yogesh and everyone. All of these. Wow. Let's see who can solve this question. Who is going to? Yuvan, welcome, Yuvan. Let's see who can solve this question. Sabhi ka swagatam. Swagatam to each and every one of you kids. Let's see who will solve this question. Okay, you are Yogi Blogs. Welcome, Yogi. Try to do this question, kids. Let's see who can solve it. Shobhajit is going for none of these. Who will solve this question? Let's see, kids. Sahana, very true. Sahana is saying, explain this, Baba. Janvi is going for C. This question is really awesome, kids. Yuvan is going for B. So let's go from the back side. Let's move out from the back side. Everyone just see to it. 1-methyl cyclopentene. So this is your cyclopentene and this is methyl, right? In such type of questions, always move from the back. Are you getting my point? Always move from the back side. Now, Wolff-Kist reduction. Before Wolff-Kist reduction, it must be like this. Because Wolff-Kist reduction must converted CHO into CH3. It should be like this. And before this, aldol condensation, it must be having 6 carbons, so it must be like this. And before ozonolysis, it must be like this. This is D. Till D, options are not matching. Don't worry. I will tell you what is the correct answer. So this is your D. Till now it's everything correct, kids. Now C is, either C is like this, oh no, either C will be like this, or your C can be like this. Both the two possibilities are there for C. Why? The first one on direct dehydration will give cyclohexene, and the second one will do ring expansion and will give cyclohexane. Am I right? Are you getting my point, everyone? So that means B is giving positive tolerance test. So positive tolerance test says this option is not possible, only this option is possible. So your B will be like this. See, what will be B? Your B is six carbons. Got it? This is B. And the C is only one thing, acetaldehyde, because the aldehyde which gives iodoform test is acetaldehyde. So your C is acetaldehyde. Just combine both. When you combine both and remove oxygen, then the option you will get C. C is the correct answer. I hope everyone is able to understand. Just to let me know, did you understand? No, acetone is not possible because the starting material is having 8 carbon atoms. Just check it out. The starting reactant is having 8 carbon atoms. I hope that everyone got it. How was the question? Everyone do let me know. Understood or not? Have you understood? Everyone. Now next question on your screen. Just see to it and tell me. What should be the correct answer of this question? Very good. You won. Very good. Unknown doctor, my cool Tuvanik. Everyone, just go for this question and do let me know what should be the correct answer. Okay, very good. Subhajit, now you got it. Very good. Welcome. Very good. D is the correct answer. This question has been asked in NEET 2016. Yes, my cool tube, yes. Now I am just checking that how much revision is perfect. That time I have given in a video. Now it's live class, and that's why I am checking your homework. My cool tube, are you getting my point? I am checking your homework. Right now it's live class, and Baba is checking your homework. That great revision has been done or not. Yes. Subhaji, you are getting it. Subhajit, very good. From Nick. Tell me. What's the correct answer, kids? It's a very good question, kids. Shubhajit, you are right. Your answer is absolutely correct. D is the correct answer. Jahanvi, your answer is also correct. D is the correct answer. Now let's see how and why. Cl2H nu, Cl2H nu, you will get benzyl chloride. Now KOH aqueous, 2OH, and then water will get removed. So it's being your benzaldehyde. Now Wolff-Kissner reduction, D will be your toluene. Now toluene, in toluene there are 3 benzylic hydrogens, all will get removed. So your E will be all the benzylic hydrogens are replaced by chlorines, and it is meta director. So during ESR reaction, chlorine will be at meta, right? Reverse hyperconjugation. And now once again H2ZnCl, the benzylic chlorines will get replaced by hydrogens. So here will be CH3 and here will be chlorine. I hope that everyone is able to understand. Just check it out, kids. Rank booster, yes. These are rank booster questions. If you are able to solve these questions right now or after revision, they will provide you the best rank. I hope you got it. You will never get such type of questions in anyone's class. Only this is the platform where you can get such type of questions. Next question on your screen, just see. Okay, Sahana, I will make. After this class, I will make. D. Let me check it out. Calcium carbonate, if you are going to heat, you will get calcium carbide, coke. This is your CaC2, then acetylene, then benzene, then nitrobenzene, then aniline, then diazotization, so benzene diazonium chloride, glucose, redox reaction, benzene, ozonolysis, glyoxyl, concentrated NaOH, Cannizzaro reaction. So after Cannizzaro reaction, hydrolysis. This is your answer, CH2OH and COH. CH2OH and COH and LiLH4, so ethylene glycol. Final answer is ethylene glycol. Where it is given? Oh, H2SO4 is also there, pinacol, pinacolone rearrangement. So acetaldehyde is the final answer. Very tough question, kids. I don't think that everyone is able to give the answer. Pramanik has given the correct answer. Pinacol, pinacolone rearrangement. Wow. So acetaldehyde, D is the correct answer. Fantastic, those who have given the correct answer. Congratulations. D is the correct answer, kids. 3 moles of glyoxyl, yes. Now just check it out, this question, kids. Now after this I will provide the PDF, because too much time has gone. At 12, no, means at 1, after 5 minutes the class will get over, because 2 hours class is too much lengthy. So just 5 minutes more. After that I will provide the PDF of rest of the things. Okay, so this is going to be the last question. Then I will show you rest of the mind maps, each and everything. I have tried to give it over there. An ionic compound C5HO gives positive tolerance, negative iodoform, and positive tolerance, negative iodoform. Oh my God. Both are giving positive tolerance test but negative iodoform test. So what it can be? So definitely it will be, it can't be A, it can't be B, and it can't be D. So C is the correct answer. C is the correct answer. Now see questions. These are the questions you can do at your home. These questions you can do at your home. See, many questions I am giving you. PDF I am going to give you, kids. See the quality of the questions. Each and everything I will provide in the Telegram. My team, please see. Physical and inorganic, yes. Tomorrow I will come with physical and inorganic questions, short videos, right? Now see, the Telegram link, my team, please pin it. I'm going to provide the PDF in the Telegram. Just see the quality of the questions. Everyone, you will not get anywhere such type of questions. See, kids. Now the mind map, all the good quality rank booster for government C. Wait, number of blanks, blank. See, such type of questions based on class 11th also, you see. Thank you, Sana, for letting me know. So see, such type of questions, even the explanation is given over there just to save your time, so that you can get enough time. See the quality of questions everywhere. Everyone just see to it. I have given the answers as well, just to save your time. See, kids. Just check it out. Along with the explanation. So that you can save your time, and in less time you can get the best quality. Okay, kids. So this is all for today. Let's meet tomorrow in physical and inorganic class. Okay? Okay, kids? Bye to all of you. Take care. Do proper revision. And anything you want from Baba H.S.P site, I'm always there to help you. If you're new to this channel, subscribe it for the best quality. Right, kids? Bye-bye. Take care. All the best. All the best to all of you, my dear students. Bye-bye. Take care, everyone.